Hey guys, it's Nick and I'm here in Athens, Greece at Telis Pork Chop Restaurant, and this big plate of pork chops in front of me, this is just my portion, not my cousin's portion. So the portions here are really big and the food here is really amazing. And this big plate of tomatoes and cheese and spicy peppers, I don't know what it's called, but I've never seen this before in any other restaurant. So if you want to get this, you got to come over to Telis, and it's off of Athens between Monastiraki and Ammonia. And so let's go take a walk over to the kitchen and see how they make it, and see the owner here that's handing me the card. He's been around here since 1980 in this location. So this place is a classic place and a must-see kind of place to come to. Stuff. It looks amazing. What's laying after? Tomato che cheese, che spicy. Whatever. About the stuff. Great. Olha. So I almost get hit by this big truck over here while I'm trying to film the outside of Telis to give you an idea of where this place is. And like I said, this place has been here since like 1980. And that man, that elderly man that gave me the card, is the same man that's pictured there on the poster from 1980. And my cousin took me to this place on this day. And what he told me is that my uncle used to take him here in the 1980s. So they've been coming here for a long time. My uncle passed away like in the 80s, so he still remembers coming here with my uncle. So it's nice that I can come here with my cousin and kind of relive the tradition, I guess. But we're gonna take a walk up this street here and head over to the cold cut, the famous cold cut meat market, Miran. And this is an interesting area over here off of Athens. There's a lot of these small shops here, and a lot of Asian stores are opening up, like a lot of Chinese out here. I guess they're taking advantage of the Greek visa program. I think if you invest $250,000 in a business or real estate, you can get residency, EU passport and all. And so a lot of them are opening up a lot of electronic stores and general variety stores with all kinds of goods. So this area has a lot of commerce, new stores as well as old stores. So right up this street is the meat place, and it's a real interesting place. And they actually sell camel meat, and I did not know that, but my cousin knows about it, and he's gonna pick us up some meat, and I'm gonna try it later on for the first time, trying camel meat, and I'll let you know how that goes. I'm not that adventurous, but I'll give it a shot. So it's interesting to walk around these streets here. It's very reminiscent of how Canal Street in New York City used to be in the 80s. You got these storefronts selling all kinds of weird stuff, from electronics to luggage to weird dried out spices and stuff like that. I don't remember seeing that in New York, to tell you the truth, but seeing it here, I don't know what these people use it for. It looks like those are dried out zucchinis and some other things. I don't know if you hang that in your house to ward away bad spirits or something. If somebody knows what you would buy these dried out vegetables for, please leave it in the comments below. I'm kind of curious myself. There's also the more traditional Greek soaps made out of olive oil and things like that. So a lot of natural products on these streets with olive oil and other natural products. So that's kind of interesting also. One thing I forgot to mention in this video, if you haven't realized it already, is that this video was shot before the whole pandemic stuff. So it was actually shot in the summer of 2019. I have not gone to Greece in the summer of 2020 because of all the restrictions and shutdowns, and currently Greece is shut down. Most of the stuff is really closed, and you need permission to go to the supermarket and get a email from the government or something like that. So this is kind of the good old days that you're seeing right now. I don't know when they're going to return, but it's not like this right now in Greece. So I kind of put this together as kind of nostalgia for just being in Greece, you know, a year and a half ago, and it was like this, and now I don't even know what it's like, you know, but it's not it's not back to normal, that's for sure. Which way are we going? This way? Back this way?
Oh yeah, straight up.
Straight. The meat store. You said this is camel, right?
Yeah, camel.
And it
Meat
tastes
camel.
not good.
Camel's meat, yeah, very
Strong. It's good?
Very good. But very expensive. Yeah.
Expensive? So this is it right here, the camel?
This is buffalo.
Buffalo.
Over there. This is no smell at all. This is camel.
That's camel.
And this
Oh,
is,
they cut it
from
thin
sheep.
like ham
Sheep.
almost.
Yeah, sheep. It's like ham, yeah. You want to take something?
No.
You want to taste it?
I'm just curious about all this stuff. It looks very red, bright red, like blood red.
Yeah, yeah. Let's take something for the house.
But do they get coke, or how do they like balance themselves out? No, they're drug tested. And we're a judge.
This is fish.
Okay.
What kind of fish is this?
Yeah, it's fish under
Oil?
trade. Yeah, no, it's vinegar.
Oh, vinegar.
Oil, vinegar.
Pickled.
So you get in trouble if they catch you purchasing it, so spend your money, just trouble maybe. Yeah, go and drill their pot all over the mountain, whatever. They're showing a guy showing about that stuff. What his goal was is to send as many seeds as he could to the United States. So he had a seed operation, and he was the #1 person on the hit list of DEA. But Canada wouldn't do anything with him. Probably enough diplomatic pressure to fund the investment. He went to the States for the 5 cents.
So that's a look at the famous Miran in Athens, delicatessen or meat store, whatever you want to call it. And the sign says that they've been around since 1922. That's a look at Miran. And now I'm going to have the task of going back home and trying out this camel meat. So the look of it in the window looked like blood red, like almost like remind me of like liver or something disgusting like that. But the texture of it, it's kind of thinly sliced, kind of like the Spanish ham that you get everywhere in every store in Spain. And tasting it, it's pretty tasty. It's almost like a ham or a beef. And because I guess they put a lot of spices in it, it's a bit spicy, and it has kind of a taste of curry in it. So hopefully that might have killed some of the camel taste or something. I don't know. But so yeah, I tried camel. It's okay. You know, it wasn't good. It wasn't bad. It was actually okay. It was a little spicy with some curry, and so not bad. And I tried it. But I'll take the pork chops and the spicy tomatoes and feta cheese any day over camel. So that's my look at Athens. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.